everyone, myself Monisha Chare and I'm legal intern at Lexis and Company. So today I'm here to talk to you about topic 97th Amendment of Indian Constitution. In year 2012, 1997 Amendment was brought in Indian Constitution which came into effect from 25th February 2012. With this act there were certain changes made in Constitution. In Article 19, Clause 1, Subclause C, Part 3rd of Indian Constitution got amended in which cooperatives could get protection. In Part 4, Article 43B was inserted and Part 9B, the cooperative society, was also inserted. It extended from Article 247ZH to 243ZT. In recent time, 28 July 2021, Honorable Supreme Court gave constitutional validity judgment of 97th Amendment Act, in which Supreme Court struck down the Part 9B of the Constitution related to cooperative societies. In case of Union of India versus Rajendra N. Shah and ANR, in this case, judge gave judgment with a majority of 2/1. They struck down Part 9B of the Constitution on the ground that the 97th Amendment Constitutional Amendment required ratification by at least one half of the state legislature as per Article 368 Clause 2 of the Constitution, since it dealt with the entry which was exclusive state subject cooperative society, which means state legislature consent was necessary, which was not taken, as the amendment which is brought in this act come in the state list entry 32, since such ratification was not done in the case of 97th constitutional amendment. It was liable to struck down. Judges were satisfied with this part of the judgment, but Justice K.M. Joseph went to dissent when majority of the judges invoked doctrine of severability to protect multi-state cooperative societies, and majority of them, while giving their verdict, said that Part 9B of the Constitution of India is operative only in so far as it concerns multi-state cooperative societies, both within the various states and union territories of India. The appeal are accordingly disposed of. So it can be said that the majority, by using doctrine of severability, did not struck down the Article 243ZR, Article 243ZS, but the Justice K.M. Joseph, who did not agree to this, said that doctrine of severability was not applicable and struck down the entire amendment. So basically, what is doctrine of severability? It means severable. Article 13 of the Indian Constitution have given the source of this doctrine. The doctrine of severability means that when some particular provision of a statute offends or against the constitution limitation, but the provision is a severable form, the rest of the statute, only that offending provision will be declared as void by the court and not the entire statute. Supreme Court have invoked this doctrine in many cases. One of the case was Kyoton Holohon versus Zach Chilhu and others, the case of 1992. As we know, in year 1985, 52nd Amendment Act inserted 10th schedule anti-deflection law. Para 7 was challenged in this case. Honorable Supreme Court, with the help of doctrine of severability, held Para 7 as unconstitutional. Para 7 used to put bar on jurisdiction of courts. While giving judgment in this Rajendra N. Shah case, the court put this case as reference, and also the court case of Dr. Jayashree Lakshman Rao Patil versus Chief Minister and others 2021, in which they held the Constitution 102nd Amendment 2018 does not violate the basic feature of the Constitution. We uphold the constitutional validity of the Constitution 102 Amendment Act 2017. Ground of majority verdict. Article 243 application to multi-state cooperative society. The provision of this part shall apply to multi-state cooperative society subject to the modification that any reference to legislature of the state act or state government shall be constructed as reference to parliament, central act and the central government respectively. At the end, the final judgment was held that it strike down the part 9b for cooperative society, and for the multi-cooperative society it will be operative for both state and union territories. I hope you have understood this topic. For more such information and knowledge, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and do like, share and comment. Thank you.